Here I have TCL 30 SE, and today I'm going to show you how to enable night mode on this device. So firstly you have to go to settings, then go to the display section, and here you have eye comfort mode. Here you can turn this mode on, here you can change its color temperature, and you can also set up automate schedule for it. And here you can select start time, end time of the schedule, or you can just set it from sunset to sunrise. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.